Hello children, nice to meet you again in your Maths online class. I hope you have completed the Maths homework. Yes children, very good. Do the homework on the same time and practice all the sums again and again. Okay. Now let us see the continuation of the previous class. Okay children, listen carefully. In the previous class, what we have studied? We have studied about division of rational numbers. Okay. So all of you look at the board. Your first question, divide the following. Our first question is 6 upon minus 13 by minus 5. Okay. 6 upon, write the solution. 6 upon minus 13 divided by minus 5 is equal to 6 upon minus 13. This rational number have negative denominator is there. Is there no children? Here denominator have negative integer. So first of all you convert it. 6 upon minus 13 can be written as minus 6 upon 13. Okay. 6 upon minus 13 can be written as minus 6 upon 13 divided by minus 5. Okay, minus 6 upon minus 13 can be written as minus 6 upon 13. Now, what is the next step? Yes, you convert into the multiplication operation. Okay, so in division, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, so that's why minus 6 upon 13 multiply. What is the reciprocal of minus 5? Minus 5 means minus 5 upon 1. Yes children? So minus 5 is equal to minus 5 upon 1. So what is the reciprocal of minus 5? Minus 1 upon 5. Minus 1 upon 5. Okay. The reciprocal of a negative rational number is also negative. So that's why the reciprocal of minus 5 is equal to minus 1 upon 5. Are you clear? Yes. Now, next, in multiplication, okay. So, in multiplication, we multiply numerator by numerator, okay, and denominator by denominator, okay. Now, you see the numerator, here minus 6, here minus 1. So, what is the answer? Minus 6 into minus 1, minus into minus, minus into minus plus 6 1 is 6 upon. Now multiply denominator by denominator. Okay. So that's why 13 5s are 65. So your answer is 6 upon 65. Okay children. Are you clear? One more time. You see the question. 6 upon minus 13 divided by minus 5. Okay. So minus 6 upon 13. Now this sign. Division sign into multiplication. Okay. Division multiplier change ஆகும்போது என்ன செய்யணும்? Divisorோட reciprocal போடணும். இங்க எது divisor? Minus 5. So what is the reciprocal? Minus 5 ஓட reciprocal என்ன? Minus 1 upon 5. Why? Here minus 5 means minus 5 upon 1. Okay children? So that's why the reciprocal of minus 5 is equal to minus 1 upon 5. Okay. Now, you see that in between numerator and denominator anything common factors? No. Okay. So, we multiply by numerator. Okay. So, minus 6 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 6 1 is 6. Next, we multiply denominator by denominator. So, your answer is 13 5s are 65. Okay, children? Do you understand? Yes. Now, you come to the second one. 100 upon minus 200 by minus 5. That's a divided by minus 5. Okay. So, 100 upon 200. This rational number, denominator have pass, that is a negative integer. Okay. So, you convert it first. So, 100 upon minus 200 can be written as minus 100 upon 200. Okay. 100 upon minus 200 can be written as minus 100 upon 200 divided by minus 5. Okay. So, next step, minus 100 upon 200, here division. Okay. Now, you convert into, that is multiplication. So that time you put the reciprocal. Okay. So what is the reciprocal of minus 5? Minus 1 upon 5. The minus 5 means minus 5 upon 1. Okay, children? So minus 5 is equal to minus 5 upon 1. Minus 5 can be written as minus 5 upon 1. Okay. So that's why the reciprocal of minus 5 upon 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 5. The reciprocal of a negative rational number is also negative. Okay. So your answer is minus 1 upon 5. Now, any common factors in between numerator and denominator? Yes, here. Okay. So you 2 to 0 you cancel. Now the remaining, here minus 1, here also minus 1. In numerator, multiply numerator by numerator. Okay. So that's why minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to, your answer is minus into minus plus 1 into 1 upon 2 5s are 10. Multiply denominator by denominator in multiplication. Okay, children. So that's why your answer is 2 5s are 10. So the final answer 1 upon 10. Okay. Clear? Yes. Now children, all of you take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note and write today's day and date and continue the classwork. Okay. Write down in the classwork note. First question, divide the following. In first question, first one, 6 upon minus 13 by minus 5. You write the solution. Okay. Then after, you start the second one. Okay, children, do it fast and write without mistakes. Okay. Have you finished? Okay. Now the third one. Minus 11 by 1 upon 7. Okay. So, your question is divide minus 11 divided by 1 upon 7. Minus 11 divided by 1 upon 7 is equal to minus 11. Minus 11 can be written as minus 11 upon 1. Okay, same meaning. So, minus 11. Now, in division symbol into multiplication. Okay. So, that time you put the reciprocal of divisor. So, what is the reciprocal of 1 upon 7? 7 upon 1. Okay, children, are you clear? Now, you see the question. Minus 11 divided by 1 upon 7. So, minus 11 multiply. In your division, we multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. So, எப்போவுமே division வந்துருந்துச்சுனா என்ன செய்யணும்? அந்த சிம்பலை நம்ம என்னவா மாற்றுவோம்? மல்டிப்ளையா சேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது என்ன செய்யணும்? Divisorோட reciprocal. Here divisor is this. Yes. So, what is the reciprocal of 1 upon 7? 7 upon 1. Okay. So, reciprocal of a rational number can be found by reversing it. Okay, children? In a reciprocal, the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Okay? So, that's why the reciprocal of 1 upon 7 is equal to 7 upon 1. Okay? Now, multiply by numerator by numerator. Okay? Multiply numerator by numerator and multiply denominator by denominator. Okay, children? So, minus 11 into 7. Minus 11 into 7 minus 77. So, here denominator also 1. Here also denominator 1. So, your answer is minus 77 upon 1. Same meaning minus 77. So, minus 77 upon 1 is equal to minus 77 only. Okay. So, therefore, your answer is minus 77. Okay, children? Clear? Yes. Write down in your classwork note. Third one. Write down in your classwork note. Have you finished? I hope you have written. Now the second question. Evaluate the following. Okay. Minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 divided by minus 4 upon 5 plus 2. Okay, listen carefully. Here your question is evaluate the following. Okay, the first one, minus in bracket inside minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 divided by another bracket inside minus 4 upon 5 plus 2. Okay. Whenever there are more than one operations, we use the BODMAS rule. Yes, children? Do you remember? Okay. Whenever there are more than one operations, we use the BODMAS rule. B stands for bracket, O for of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Okay. So, first of all, to find the value of bracket inside. Okay. So, first we have to find the value inside the bracket. Okay, children. So, minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 divided by minus 4 upon 5 plus 2. 2 is the one integer. So, this is not a rational form. Yes. So, the rational form means, what is the rational form? Rational numbers or numbers which can be expressed in the P upon Q. Okay, P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. So, that's why 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. Okay, children, clear? Your question, here 2 is there. So, 2 can be written as 2 upon 1 is equal to, now you see, first we have to find the value of inside the bracket. Okay, so you see that inside the bracket, what is there? Minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2. Here, addition, we have to add to these two rational numbers. Okay, so first this bracket inside addition symbol is there. So we have to add minus 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. How to do? Yes. You see the denominator. Okay, children? You see the denominator. Suppose your denominator are same. We multiply by the, we add the numerators. Okay. Unnoda denominator ஒன்று போல் இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், சேமாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நியூமரேட்டரை மட்டும் ஆட் பண்ணால் போதும். பட் ஹியர் யுவர் ரேஷனல் நம்பர் ஹாவ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் டினாமினேட்டர்ஸ். திஸ் இஸ் அ அன்லைக் ரேஷனல் நம்பர். எஸ், ஸோ we will make the same denominator. Yes, children? So what to do? Yes, we will take the LCM of the denominators. Yes, children? We will take the LCM of denominators. So அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும், 3க்கும் 2க்கும் LCM கண்டுபிடிச்சி உன்னோட டினாமினேட்டரை சேமாக கொண்டு வரணும். Yes, children? So that is LCM method. Then another method, one easy method is there. What? Cross multiplication method. Okay. So anything two fraction is there means we follow the cross multiplication method, very easy. Okay. So denominator நம்மளுக்கு ஒன்று போல இல்லை. அப்போ என்ன செய்யணும், LCM எடுத்து உன்னோட டினாமினேட்டரை ஒரே நம்பருக்கு கொண்டு வரணும். அப்படி இல்லைன்னா என்ன செய்யலாம், follow the cross multiplication method. Okay. So now I am follow the cross multiplication method. Okay. So cross multiplication method. So minus 2 into 2. First you multiply by cross. Okay. So that's why minus 2 into 2. Minus 2 into 2. How much? Minus into plus. Minus 2 2s are 4. So minus 4. Next. Multiply by cross. Okay. 1 into 3. 1 3 is 3. So what is the sign here? Plus. So plus 3 upon, then after multiply the denominator. Okay. So 3 2s are 6. This is first bracket divided by the another one. You see this. Here also denominator are different. So we follow the cross multiplication method. Okay. So minus 4 into 1. Minus into plus minus. 4 1 is 4. So minus 4 plus 5 2s are 10 upon 5 1 is 5. 5 1 is 5. Okay, children? Are you clear? So உன்னோடது ப்ராக்கெட்டுக்குள்ளே என்ன ஆப்ரேஷன் இருக்குது, அடிஷன் ஆப்ரேஷன் இருக்குது. ஸோ அடிஷனில் டினாமினேட்டர் சேமாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம நியூமரேட்டரை மட்டும் ஆட் பண்ணால் போதும். பட் ஹியர் டினாமினேட்டர் ஆர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் நம்பர்ஸ். ஸோ follow the cross multiplication method. Okay. So cross multiplication methodல என்ன செய்திருக்கோம், நம்ம multiply பண்ணியிருக்கோம். minus 2 into 2 minus 4 plus 3 upon 3 2s are 6 divided by minus 4 into 1 minus 4 plus 5 2s are 10 upon 5. Okay. Clear? Yes. Now you find the value. Minus 4 plus 3. What is the value? In addition, if the integers having opposite sign, okay, one is positive, another one is negative. So we find the difference and put the greater value sign. Okay, children? So your answer is minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 upon 6 divided by, then another one is minus 4 plus 10. Here also the integers having opposite sign, one is positive, one is negative. So we find the difference and put the greater value sign. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. The greater value is 10. So your answer is 6 upon 5. Okay, 6 upon 5. Here is minus 1 upon 6 divided by 6 upon 5. So the value of minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 6 divided by the value of minus 4 upon 5 plus 2 is equal to 6 upon 5. Okay. Up to this clear? Yes. Now you come to the next step. Minus 1 upon 6 divided by 6 upon 5. So minus 1 upon 6. Now this division symbol convert into multiplication. Okay. Multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. In division, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. So what is the reciprocal of 6 upon 5? 5 upon 6. Okay, children? ஓகே இங்கே டிவிஷன் இருக்குது, அதை மல்டிப்ளையாக நம்ம போட போகிறோம். ஸோ மல்டிப்ளை ஆக்கும்போது என்ன செய்யணும், டிவைசரோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கலை போடணும். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் ஆஃப் 6/5? 5/6. Now you see that anything common factors are there between numerator and denominator? No. Okay, so we multiply numerator by numerator and multiply denominator by denominator. Okay, so minus 1 into 5, minus into plus, minus 1 5 is 5. So your answer is minus 5/6. 6 are 36. So your final answer minus 5/36. Okay children, do you understand? Yes. Now you write it in your classwork note. Write without mistakes. Okay, your answer is minus 5/36. Write without mistakes and write neatly. Okay, do you understand? Here two operations is coming, one is addition and another one is division. Okay children, so do carefully. அடிஷன் பண்ணும்போது என்ன செய்யணும், முதல்ல டினாமினேட்டர் சேமாக இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். டினாமினேட்டர் சேமாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நியூமரேட்டர் மட்டும் ஆட் பண்ணால் போதும். பட் ஹியர் டினாமினேட்டர் ஆர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ two methods are there. First one is LCM and another one is cross multiplication method. Okay, so cross multiplication method is very shortest, easiest method. So that's why I followed that method. Okay, next divide பண்ணும்போது என்ன செய்யணும், அதை மல்டிப்ளையாக சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவோம். மல்டிப்ளை த டிவைடட் பை த ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் ஆஃப் த டிவைசர். So that time you do it carefully. You put the reciprocal of the divisor. So that's why the reciprocal of 6/5 is 5/6. Okay children? Practice all the sums again and again. Okay, so ஈஸியாக இருந்தது மாதிரி இருக்கும். அடுத்த நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்கும்போது ஒன்றுமே தெரியாது. So do practice all the sums again and again. Okay children, have you finished? Okay, now the second one. See the question, minus 5/6 divided by 1/3 divided by 2/3 into minus 6/5. Okay, so first we have to find the value of inside the bracket. Okay children, so minus 5/6 divided by 1/3 divided by 2/3 into minus 6/5. Okay, so first we have to find the value of inside the bracket. What is there inside the bracket? Minus 5/6 divided by 1/3. So here is which operation? Division. Okay, then another bracket 2/3 into minus 5/6. So here multiplication. One bracket inside division operation, and another bracket inside multiplication operation. Okay. So first of all, to find the value of inside the bracket. So first bracket, minus 5 upon 6. You see here division. So in division, we have to change the sign. Yes, children? So multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. So minus 5 upon 6, division sign into multiplication sign. So that time you put the reciprocal of 1 upon 3. What is the reciprocal of 1 upon 3? 3 upon 1. Okay. The reciprocal of 1 upon 3 is 3 upon 1 divided by next bracket. Is a multiplication only. Okay. So you see that in between numerator and denominator anything common factors? Yes? Yes. Here 3, here minus 6. So divided by 3. Yes? So 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So the remaining, nothing now. Now you multiply numerator by numerator. Okay? So 2 into minus 2. How much your answer? 2 into minus 2. 2 2s are 4. Here minus is there. So minus 4 upon 1 5 is 5. So 2 into minus 2 minus 4 upon multiply denominator by denominator. So 1 5 is 5. Next. Here. Yes. Here also common factor is there. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. Now in multiplication, multiply numerator by numerator. Okay. So that's why minus 5 into 1. Here minus 5, here 1. So your answer minus 5 into 1 minus 5 upon 2 1 is 2 divided by your answer minus 4 upon 5. Okay children? Clear? உன்னோட question பார்க்கிறதுக்கு பெரிய question மாதிரி தான் தெரியும். But it is so easy. Okay. So minus 5 upon 2 divided by minus 4 upon 5. Now next step, you change the sign. Yes children? So multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. So minus 4 upon 5. What is the reciprocal? Minus 5 upon 4. Clear? The reciprocal of minus 4 upon 5 is equal to minus 5 upon 4. Now, any common factors between numerator and denominator? No. So, in multiplication, we multiply numerator by numerator and multiply denominator by denominator. Okay. So, here numerator is minus 5 and minus 5. So, your answer is minus 5 into minus 5, minus into minus plus. So, 5 5s are 25 upon the denominator 2 and 4. So, 2 4s are 8. So, your answer is 25 upon 8. Okay, children, clear? Yes. Write it in your classwork note. In second question, second one. Write neatly. Do it fast. Write neatly, children. Okay, now the next question. 3 upon minus 5 into minus 7 multiply 4 upon 7 divided by 2 upon minus 7. Okay, your question is, again rewrite the question. 3 upon minus 5 into minus 7 multiply 4 upon 7 divided by 2 upon minus 7. Okay, is equal to, say the answer. First one is, which operation? First bracket inside multiplication, second bracket inside division. Okay, then after, then 2 answer both we multiply by 2 answer. Okay children, so first to find this bracket inside, 3 upon minus 5. Okay, so 3 upon minus 5 into here denominator have negative, so you rewrite. Okay, so 3 upon minus 5 can be written as minus 3 upon 5 into minus 7. Minus 7 means minus 7 upon 1. Okay children, listen carefully. 3 upon minus 5. So 3 upon minus 5 can be written as minus 3 upon 5 into minus 7 is equal to minus 7 upon 1. Yes or no? Minus 7 can be written as minus 7 upon 1. Okay. So next, divided by multiply 4 upon 7. You see here division. So we want the change, we have to change the sign. Yes. So we multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. So 4 upon 7 multiply, you put the reciprocal, 2 upon minus 7. What is the reciprocal of 2 upon minus 7? Minus 7 upon 2. Okay, clear? 4 upon 7 divided by 2 upon minus 7. So 4 upon 7 multiply the reciprocal of 2 upon minus 7. The reciprocal of 2 upon minus 7 is equal to minus 7 upon 2. Okay. Now you multiply. Here all the operations are now multiplication only. Okay. So in multiplication we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Okay. So minus 3 into minus 7. Minus into minus plus. 3 sevens are 21 upon 5 multiply. Here 4 7. Here 7 7 cancel. Yes. 1 7 is 7. 1 7 is 7. So the remaining 4 here minus 1. So 4 into minus 1 minus 4 upon 1 2 is 2. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now here any common? Yes. Here 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Now you multiply. 21 2s are 42 minus 42. Why? Here minus is there. Plus into minus, minus 21 2s are 42 upon 5 1 is 5. So your answer is minus 42 upon 5. Okay. Write it in your classwork note. Third one. Write neatly children. Have you finished? I hope you have written. Okay, now you come to the fourth question. Minus 8 into 1 upon 5 minus 6 upon 11 divided by 1 upon minus 11. Your question is minus 8 into 1 upon 5. So minus 8 can be written as minus 8 upon 1 multiply 1 upon 5 minus 6 upon 11 divided by 1 upon minus 11. Okay. So now you see here this bracket inside multiplication operation, this bracket inside division. Okay. So first of all, to find the value of inside the bracket. Okay. So what is the value of minus 8 upon 1 into 1 upon 5? Here in between no common factor, denominator and numerator. Okay. So in multiplication, multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Okay. So that's why your answer is minus 8 into 1. Minus into plus minus 8 1 is 8. So your answer is minus 8 upon 1 5 is 5. Okay. So your value of minus 8 upon 1 into 1 upon 5 is equal to minus 8 upon 5 minus, here minus operation is there, minus. Next to find this value, okay, 6 upon 11, here division is there. So you convert into the multiplication operation. So 6 upon 11 multiply, you put the reciprocal. Yes children, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, so 6 upon 11 divided by, what is the reciprocal? Multiply, what is the reciprocal? 1 upon minus 11 reciprocal is minus 11 upon 1. Are you clear? Division sign irukku. Division sign multiply change panna porom. Appo enna cheyanum? Unoda divisor oda reciprocal. So 6 upon 11 multiply minus 11 upon 1. Okay. Now your answer minus 8 upon 5 minus here 11, numerator is 11, denominator also 11, so you cancel 11 divided by 11, okay. 1 11 is 11, 1 11 is 11. So the remaining, in multiplication, you multiply the numerator by numerator. So 6 into minus 1, 6 into minus 1, minus 6 upon 1 1 is 1. Okay children, so your answer is minus 6 upon 1. Now, what is the next step? Here is minus, subtraction. So, in subtraction, add the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted to the other rational number. Okay. Multiplication in division multiply ஆக்கும்போது நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம்? Reciprocal. You put the multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. But here in addition, what to do? We add the additing inverse of the rational number to be subtracted to the other rational number. Okay. Additive inverse means additive inverse of a rational number is the rational number of the same magnitude as the given rational number but with the opposite sign. Okay. So minus 8 upon 5. Now minus sign. So now you convert into plus. Okay. So minus sign into plus, that time you put the additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse of minus 6 upon 1? 6 upon 1 is equal to minus 6 only. Okay. So what is the additive inverse of minus 6? Plus 6. Okay children. Plus 6 upon 1. Okay. So the additive inverse of minus 6 upon 1 is equal to plus 6 upon 1. Reciprocal na enna cheyanum? Numerator denominator la podanu, denominator numerator la poduvom. Adu reciprocal. But here is additive inverse. Additive inverse na number same ah irukum but the negative sign. Plus means minus, minus na plus. Okay children. So that's why the additive inverse of minus 6 is equal to 6 upon 1. Now you add. Now to find the value of minus 8 upon 5 plus 6 upon 1. Yes, in addition, first of all you check the denominator. The denominator are same. We add the numerators over denominator. Okay. But here is denominator are different. So denominator are different. So you do the cross multiplication method. Okay, children? So, you do the cross multiplication. So, minus 8 into 1, minus 8 plus 5 6 are 30 upon 5 1 is 5. So, your answer, we follow the cross multiplication method. Okay. So, minus 8 into 1 minus 8 plus 5 6 are 30 over multiply the denominators. Okay. So, 5 into 1 5. So, what is the answer now? Here one sign is positive, one sign is negative. So, in addition, if the integers having opposite signs, then find the difference and put the greater value sign. Okay. So, 30 minus 8 is equal to, your answer is 22. Yes. So, here is a bigger value is plus. So, that's why your answer is 22 upon 5. So, your answer is 22 upon 5. Okay, children. Do you understand? Okay. I hope you understood. Okay. So, now you write it in your classwork note. Write it. So, nalla ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க addition. In addition, listen carefully, children. In addition, first of all, you check the denominator. Okay. Suppose denominator or same means no problem. We have to add only the numerators and over denominator. Okay. Then next, suppose your denominator have different. So, we follow the two methods are there. One is LCM and cross multiplication method. Okay. That is addition. Suppose in subtraction, add the additive inverse. Okay. Add the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted to the other rational number. In multiplication, we multiply the numerator by numerator and multiply the denominator by denominator. Okay. In division, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, children. These 4 points is very, very important points. So, don't forget. Okay. Okay, now homework question. All of you take your homework note. All of you take your max homework note. You write the max homework. Children, all of you take your max homework note and write the max homework. Okay. Children, all of you take your max homework note and write the homework. Okay, children, listen carefully. Your homeworks are, first question, add the following. Listen carefully. Your first question, add the following. Okay. So rational numbers, 2 questions are given. So you add. Okay. You see here, denominator are different. Okay. So you choose any one method, cross multiplication or LCM method. Okay, children. The next one is second one, subtract the following. Okay. So subtraction sum. So subtraction enna cheyano? We add the additive inverse. நம்ம அப்போ sin minus into plus போடும்போது உன்னோட ஒரு reciprocalோட additive inverse. Add the additive inverse. Okay, to be, say children, add the additive inverse of the rational number to be subtracted to the other rational number. Okay. So that is subtraction sum. Next is multiplication. So multiplication, you check it first, numerator and denominator in between, anything common factors. Suppose common factors are there means divide it. Okay. Then after we multiply numerator by numerator and multiply denominator by denominator. Okay, children, are you clear? Yes. Are you listening? Yes. Now the fourth one, divide the following. So divide the following. Division questions are given. So it's so easy. So in division, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. So do it carefully. Okay, children. So we will see in the next class. Thank you.